Assalamu alaikum. Today I show you how you can use the whiteboard at your team channel during the online classes. First of all, you go to your team. Suppose this is 11B team. I go there and then you can see there. First you go to your channel. I am your Islam teacher. So first of all I go to Islam, my own class. Okay, and after the Islam you can see at the top there are different option: Islam, post, shared, notes. You go to notes and after the notes there is plus button. You click this plus button and there is third option is one new page and third one is apps. You go to apps and then you can see the first option is a whiteboard. You click at that and then you save. Now your whiteboard is visible in front of you. How you write? Number one option is that if you use the pen, so you can read, you can write like that, anything which you want. So second option is that you can write in the text. This, look here. So you can write in the text everything which you want, like, okay. Now there is one more option. If you want to change the color, you can also change the color of your writing. And one more option, if you want to change the size of box, you can also change large, small. Like suppose when you give the heading to students, you can use this one. Okay. And one more, and also you can make it bold also. And there is one more interesting option for teachers, especially when there are many students work together. You can see here, this place, there is timer. Use the timer, like 1 minute timer, and then you start your work, and after that your timing is starting now. So now you can see the time. Also you check what time your student will be finished the work. Now I show you some works which student did together, like in my class 1110E students, they also did the work together. Look here, this work student did today. Alhamdulillah, all the students they work together. So when we make it bold, when we make it small, you can see everything. You can easily read. So this is a great opportunity to use the whiteboard at team. Thank you so much. If you like, so share to other your friends.